Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Tech with Ram. In today's video, we are going to look at how to install Terraform in your Windows machine. I'll be using Windows 11 and I'll be demoing a Windows 11 installation, but all the Windows users can follow this demo to get Terraform installed in their Windows machine. So if you like this video and you find it helpful, please do like and comment your feedback. If you're new to the channel, please do subscribe to us. Your likes and comments keep me motivated to create more such useful videos. Okay, without any further ado, let's just get into installing Terraform in your Windows system. As with every installation, what I do first is I go to Google and I search for Terraform. Already searched for it before, so it showed up in my suggestions. So I can see that it came up in my suggestion. So let's just click on the first link that shows up there, which is terraform.io. Ensure that you're downloading from this link itself. This is the official link of Terraform. Click on download. Choose your operating system. Like I said, I was using Windows, so I'll be choosing Windows. And since my processor is 64-bit, I'll be choosing the 64-bit installer. If you have an 86-bit system, please choose this one. Now click on download. A zip file will now get downloaded. So there you have it. That is the zip file that gets downloaded in your system. Just click on extract all and extract the zip file. So yeah, the extracting is done. And I can see that there is an executable of the name Terraform inside the zip file. Let's just double tap on the Terraform installer. Let's just click on run. And that's all. Terraform has been installed in my system. Now let's just ensure whether the installation has been successful and I can make use of it in creating my own cloud deployments. So what I do is I open Windows PowerShell by searching for PowerShell in start menu and type Terraform. Oh, there is an error. What does the error say? The error says that Terraform is not a keyword that you can do in PowerShell. So how to set Terraform as a keyword? Basically, what happens is when I type Terraform, this thing should get executed in the command line. So how do I do that? It is very simple. What you need to do is just copy this path. Okay. The C drive users, wherever your Terraform.executable is there, copy that path, open start menu and search for environment variables. Okay. Now you'll see system properties opening up when you search for it. Click on environment variables. In system variables of the environment variables tab, choose path. In path, click on edit. Okay. Click on new and paste the path you just copied. Add a backslash to it. Okay. So this path I have added to here. Let me clean up the unwanted path. So this path has been added to my path variable. Now I'll press on OK. I'll press OK again. I'll just click on OK here as well. Now let me close PowerShell and relaunch it. Let's just search for PowerShell again. I opened it. Just type Terraform. And I can see that now it shows up all the Terraform commands. This means Terraform has been successfully installed in your system. When you see these main commands and other commands supported by Terraform on the search of Terraform in PowerShell. I hope you found this video helpful and informative. Please do like, share, and subscribe, and leave your feedback in the comment section. Thank you.